Welcome back, football fanatics and spreadsheet sorcerers. I'm thrilled you're joining me for part 2 of our MatchScore Wizzard adventure. Last time, we built the stadium. Today, we're kicking off the contest and creating the very first leaderboard. This is where the excitement really begins. Let's get that initial contest report compiled. So, here's our game move plan for today. I will walk through the steps you need to generate that all-important initial contest report. It's a crafty session, so let's not waste any time on the bench. First, open your File Explorer and make sure you're in your main contest folder. For our example today, we are running a 2026 World Cup Group Stage contest. This is your locker room center. Click the New button and select Folder. Here, we need to build a dedicated home for all the incoming data. Type Forms, and press Enter. Perfect. This Forms subfolder is now the official designated locker for every single Excel form that gets shared to you by your participants. Keep it tidy. Now, how do those forms get there? Let me illustrate one classic method. Open your email account. Open a participant's message. Let's see what James Silva has predicted for us. Did you get the attachment? Great. Click the More Actions button and select Save As. We're going to file this away properly. Navigate to your Forms subfolder, that's 2026 World Cup Group Stage Forms, and click Save. And that's the drill for every form you receive. This is what your Forms folder dreams of becoming. Imagine 5 participants have signed up before the contest starts, say by June 11th. You'd have 5 neat Excel files, all ready for the Wizard's magic. Now for the main event. Visit MatchScore Wizzard website using your favorite browser. This is our cloud-based engine room. Head over there now. Once the app loads, use the hamburger icon to collapse or expand the sidebar menu. While expanded, click on Upload Forms. We are going to feed it all the predictions. Click the Browse button. Time to locate our treasure trove of forms. Navigate to your Forms subfolder, press Ctrl-A to select all the files, and click Open. Boom! All participant data is loaded into the chamber. Almost there. Type an easy-to-remember password. You'll need this to keep the structure for future updates safe. Next, click Compile Initial Report. And let the compilation begin. The Wizard is now working its math magic. Wait until your initial report is compiled. Might take a minute, depending on how many friends you roped into this. Once it's done, click Save As. Navigate back to your main contest folder. Type a name for your report file, something clear like MatchScore Wizzard Report, Group Stage, and click Save. Your official master leaderboard file is now saved to your computer. Fantastic! Click Open File. Let's pop open this report and see what we have got. If you get a protected view warning, just click Enable Editing. That gives you full access to explore. Now, here's a pro tip. See the Worksheet tabs at the bottom? Hover over the Emails tab, right-click, and click Move or Copy. We are going to extract a very useful list. In the dialog box, click the To Book drop-down, select New Book, and then click OK. This pulls the email list out into its own fresh spreadsheet. Press F12 to save this as a brand new file. Navigate to your contest folder, type a file name like Emails, and click Save. Handy. Now you have a clean list of all participant addresses. Just a note. Sometimes a same email might be used by a couple of people, but the wizard handles that. Go back to your initial report. Do a quick scan through the different match columns. Make sure every participant has predictions for every match. Show the red card to participants with blank cells, but let them to come back to the game later. No blank cells. Looks good? Click the Save icon or press Ctrl+S. Your baseline leaderboard is now locked, loaded, and saved. Ready for the real matches to begin. And yes, for this example, we just used random numbers. Remember that emails file? Its whole job is to make your life easy. Select all the email addresses and press Ctrl+C to copy them. They're now on your clipboard, ready for dispatch. Final play. Go to your email account and create a new message. Click inside the To box and press Ctrl+V to paste all those addresses. Make sure to attach your initial report file. Type a quick message like "Here's our starting leaderboard. Good luck." Next, click Send. Most important rule: make sure to do this before the kickoff of the first match. That's it. You've successfully launched your contest, compiled the opening leaderboard, and lined up everyone in the loop. Congratulations! You are now a certified MatchScore Wizard. Great work! Next set pieces gameplay will be contest report updates.